If you own a 2010 to a 2019 Spyder RT, RTS, or RT Limited, you may have noticed that over time, the seat strut that came equipped from the factory is not quite strong enough to hold up the seat's weight. To address this issue, we've partnered up with the team over at Showchrome to bring you a heavy-duty replacement seat strut. This product increases weight-bearing capacity by 75% compared to the stock strut. Once installed, you'll notice a vast difference in performance, allowing for effortless refueling. Today, we'll be walking you through the installation on our Shop 2018 Spyder RT Limited. Let's get started.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. Press in on the ignition key and turn it clockwise so that you can lift up the driver's seat. While supporting the weight of the seat, use a small flathead screwdriver to release the metal retention clip securing the bottom of the strut and pull straight out to remove it. Then use the screwdriver to release the retention clip securing the top of the strut so that you can remove it from the bike. Align the bottom of your new replacement strut with the lower mounting post and press firmly until you hear it lock into place. Then align the top of the strut with the upper mounting post and again, press firmly until it locks into place.
And that's all there is to it, folks. Now, if a beefier seat strut is on your mod list, head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for your bike. And feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything Spyder. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.